What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over a metal squirrel proof bird feeder. Check this thing out. And I also have some Pennington classic wild bird, uses the chickadees and the golden finches here. So that's the seed that I'm going to use in this bird feeder. It came in this box right here, and it just has a set of instructions that is very limited on its instructions, and it was wrapped in that. And one thing that it did have, it had like 6 of these little things right here. And what you're going to do to put those on is you're going to loosen this up like this, and you could see they just screw directly in. That is tapped, that's screwed down, and it looks like they would screw in there, but there's no threads right there, and it has little adjustments right here. And all you're going to do is put all your feed down in there and hang it up. I have a hook over here that I'm going to hang it up on, so let me go ahead and add some feed to this and get this thing hanged up, and then we'll check it out. So let's do that now. Put the bird feeder over here, and then let's fill it up. Well, I got a little messy, everybody. I'm not going to put all in there. I definitely put more on the table than what I needed. And then this just goes like that. And what you're going to do is slide this down, and then you have a little locking mechanism that slides down like that. So let's go over here, and you can see how it looks here, how it kind of shakes. The birds will land here, they can sit right there, they can eat out of these little things. Very cool. I'm going to clean all this up and put it in there too. So let's get over there and let's hang it up. Okay, everybody, what I got is some plant pot holders, and check it out how I did it. I screwed these pot holders in right here, which is basically plant or pot holders. I have a pole out here, so I screwed them into this post, and I'm just going to hang it right here like this. So now the birds, and there's flowers that are planted down here, so now the birds will come by. There you go. They're all set. And it is, squirrel proof design, so a squirrel can't get on this in theory, but you know what, only time will tell on that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the squirrel proof metal bird feeder. Check it out. See you all in the next video.